There are a whole lot of things happening in the world that we don't have the answers about. We don't have an answer to the automation and abundance, to the rise of the BRICS, to climate change and energy problems, to demography, to e-communication. Existing tools in the policy box are not good enough anymore.
The pace of connectivity and of complexity has greatly increased over the last 20 years. What we need to internalize is that the world is very, very different in this period since the opening up of capital markets, the decline in tariffs. There's something like 100 countries that have come into the world economy over the last 20 years. What we're very interested in is the super spreading and the structure of networks and understanding the characteristics of the new structures. The absence of an understanding of these networks and structures leads to the building up of these very significant pressures over time. So it's this need for both very local knowledge to understand what's happening as well as very significant high-level knowledge. And you can only analyze these nodes if you really have the data sources at disposal. But of course there's a data deluge, and so finding the signals becomes extremely important.
The different organizations we belong to need to adapt to contexts where the amount of links, the amount of communication is increasing at high speed due to globalization and increased complexity. The most important question in our time, from my point of view, is how. How should we organize and govern our organizations, both in private and public sector, to meet this complexity? .1 billion people are connected to the internet today, and it's increasing. The software and the methods that enable us to act in concert through network arenas inside our organizations are here. We can do tasks that are larger, more distributed, more complex, and longer lasting than the hierarchy can tackle alone. It's the only way to solve complex challenges together with others.